How to upload Canva video to YouTube. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you upload a Canva video to YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, open your canva.com in your desktop. Then once done so, you can simply tap on the create button available at the top left corner of your screen in order to create a new project, or else if you already have a project created for you, then you do not have to follow this process. Then tap on the more option available there. Scroll down and look for the YouTube landscape option available and simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, a new project will open with the YouTube landscape ratio, where you can simply upload a video and keep it as YouTube ratio and edit it and simply download it to your device. Now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the upload button available at the left hand side panel and upload the video or photo in this empty box. Now once you have chose the photos or videos, then all you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen, and what happens is tap on the download option, or else if you see YouTube option available directly accessed here, then you can simply tap on the YouTube and directly navigate to your youtube.com. But if you do not find YouTube option available here, then all you have to do is tap on the download option available in the share and download it in the MP4 size. And once downloaded to your device, all you have to do is check if it is downloaded or not. So as you can see, this YouTube video has been downloaded to my device. Now let's simply go to the YouTube and tap on the create button available there at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the upload a video. Then once you tap on the upload a video, you can simply tap on the upload files option available there. So here, as you can see, simply drag it or select it from your device. Once you select the video, all you have to do is fill in the title, description, thumbnail, audience settings, if it is made for kids or not. Then tap on the next through the steps and choose visibility, and simply follow the on-screen instructions to upload your YouTube video. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.